Tim and his wife always stayed busy.
All right.
But pain stopped Tim in his tracks.
My entire left leg felt like it was on fire.
That feeling consumed his life.
It affected mental health. I was getting more tired. It's bad.
He hoped it would pass. In a new survey by the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, 4 out of 10 people say they respond to unexplained pain by pushing through it, while over half say they take over-the-counter meds. Dr. Matthew Beal, an orthopedic surgeon at Ohio State, says you could be getting it wrong.
I know you said your knee, but your hip's actually profoundly arthritic and it's giving you medial thigh pain. Hold this one out nice and strong. Good.
Pain can present in one area, but its source is in another area. The survey shows many, 72%, aren't aware knee pain can actually be a sign of a hip problem. 69% miss groin pain and 66% miss thigh pain as rooted in a hip. When Tim learned his leg pain was from his hip, relief was finally in sight.
I think I was upset that I let it go this long. It's amazing to get my life back.
A hip replacement meant a more comfortable life with daily walks beside his wife.
So your day was good?
It was good, yeah.
At the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, I'm Emily Gibbs.